Camera opens on rainy window light. Slow zoom in. Some goodbyes echo longer than memories. Tonight we go back to where love walked away. Fade to black, title appears after you. The rain fell, soft piano, blue lighting.
He remembers the night she left.
No shouting, just silence, the kind that screams louder than words. Close up hands, holding a necklace.
Heartbeat sound.
Every photo he tries to delete becomes another reminder of what he can't forget.
Thunder outside.
Walking alone in neon reflection puddles.
That street
where they promised forever still tastes like broken promises with every breath he takes. Camera pans up to slow fade. He tries to smile, pretend he's okay, but the truth, his heart still whispers her name in every quiet moment.
cut to him gripping chest.
After you, even the rain feels heavier.
Polaroids burning in slow motion.
They had plans.